Hello lovely viewers, I welcome you once again, and this is your online mathematics tutor Comfort Amwakon Atta. Today we are going to prove a formula which is the angle a chord subtends the center of a circle is twice the angle it subtends to any part of the circumference of a circle. Now let's prove it. I have my thread and my circular cutout. So I'll fix in, this is my diameter and this is the center of my circle. Good. So I'm going to this is the arc, and the arc has been subtended to the center of the circle, and I'll subtend it again to any part of the circumference. Good. So let's go up. Perfect. So let's prove our formula. So I have this and I'll fit it here. Good. Then I divide the same thing into two equal parts and fix it to the top, and it is perfect. So we can conclude that the angle a chord subtends the center of a circle is twice the angle it subtends to any part of the circumference of a circle. I believe this video was so helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share the link as well. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.